Keeping up with technology is really important, and HP helped me achieve this. I'm Anthony DeStefani. I'm the Managing Director of Allclear Print Signs. 17 years ago, Allclear started as a traditional offset printers. We gradually moved into signage, then through advanced technology over into digital printing. We were lucky enough to take over a small business with a staff of 6 in 2004, and now we've grown to a staff of 90 with 4 different factories around Queensland. Well, it's happened organically over the last 16 years. We just grew. Allclear is always looking to stay ahead of our competition and embrace the latest technology advances. We first bought an Indigo 5500 in 2012, which we were quite nervous about because we were traditionally offset printers and we weren't too sure on how this path would take us. But when we started buying the first 5500 Indigo, till now, it's grown our business immensely. Traditionally in the old Indigos, only a certain amount of stocks can be printed on them, but the new 12,000, I can do all different stocks, and the speed and the quality is unbelievable. We've got clients that are wanting jobs on the 12,000 rather than offset printed. Doesn't matter what quantity it is. I want to become the best and we want to stay ahead of our competitors, and that's the reason why I bought this 12,000 HD. We're lucky enough to have the first one in Australia as well. So we had the best offset presses in the world. Now we have the best digital press HP 12,000 in the world. The quality and the colour we get off that machine, nothing compares to it. Our partnership with HP, their backup in the past has been the best. I can't fault that, and to continue that partnership, it's really important. In this industry, I don't want to give too many secrets away, but having the support of HP makes it a whole lot easier.